Please like, share, and subscribe. The dandelion, scientifically known as Taraxacum officinale, is a common perennial herbaceous plant belonging to the Asteraceae family, which includes sunflowers and daisies. Here are some key features and characteristics of the dandelion. 1. Appearance. Dandelions have a distinctive appearance with bright yellow composite flowers consisting of many small florets arranged in a dense cluster. The flowers are borne on hollow stalks arising from a basal rosette of deeply lobed, toothed leaves. After flowering, dandelions produce fluffy white seed heads known as dandelion clocks or blowballs. 2. Distribution. Dandelions are native to Europe and Asia, but they have been introduced to many regions worldwide and are now considered naturalized in North America, South America, Africa, Australia, and New Zealand. They are commonly found in meadows, lawns, roadsides, and other disturbed habitats. 3. Life cycle. Dandelions are perennial plants, meaning they live for more than 2 years. They reproduce primarily by seeds, which are dispersed by the wind when the fluffy seed heads break apart. Dandelions can also reproduce vegetatively from their taproots, which can produce new shoots and plants. 4. Edible and medicinal uses. Dandelions have a long history of culinary and medicinal uses. The leaves, flowers, and roots are all edible and can be used in salads, teas, wines, and herbal remedies. Dandelion leaves are rich in vitamins and minerals, while the roots are often used in herbal medicine to support liver health and digestion. 5. Ecological importance. Despite being considered a weed by many gardeners, dandelions play important ecological roles. They provide nectar and pollen for bees, butterflies, and other pollinators, especially early in the spring when other flowers may be scarce. Dandelions also have deep taproots that help improve soil structure and bring nutrients closer to the surface. 6. Cultural significance. Dandelions have cultural significance in many societies around the world. They have been used in traditional folklore, herbalism, and culinary practices for centuries. In some cultures, dandelions are associated with wishes, divination, and the arrival of spring. 7. Control. Dandelions can be challenging to control in lawns and gardens due to their deep taproots and prolific seed production. Cultural practices such as regular mowing and hand pulling can help manage dandelion populations. Herbicides are also commonly used for control in agricultural and horticultural settings. Overall, dandelions are versatile plants with a rich history and a wide range of uses. Despite being considered weeds by some, they are valued for their culinary, medicinal, and ecological benefits.